Alright everyone, this is a follow-up to Michael's pellet stove controller. I've got a previous video on this one. And after communicating with Mike, he informed me that the convection room blower was usually on for him. So that got me wondering if I had actually completed all the repairs on his controller, and I think I had not. So I've made some further repairs on it, and you can see now that I powered it up already and shut it down, so it's got the combustion fan running and the convection fan running because I'm simulating that the temperature is hot. So I'll go ahead and turn the controller back on, and there we see that the igniter has come on. The auger motor cycled on for a little bit and then it went off. Just for interest, I can press on the auger light bulb switch, and that will make it come on just like it should. So I think everything is functioning now, and we can see that it is cycling on its own on and off. I also have control of the the LED display, so that appears to be working normally, and I think this switch works as well. It will cycle through the top three. So there we go. The Michael's pellet stove controller has been fully repaired from my point of view, and I'm ready to return it to him. Thanks, Michael. Bye-bye.